Welcome to the Swanndri Care Guide series. Today we'll show you how to look after your Swanndri wet weather gear. It's important to remove any buildup of dirt or oils from your rainwear to maintain the water repellency of the garment. Once water stops beading on the face of the fabric, it's time to give it a wash. Before washing, start by preparing your rain jacket and reading the care label. Ensure all zippers and fasteners are closed and all pockets are empty. This will prevent any damage or snags during the wash. Use a technical liquid cleaner. We recommend Nikwax Tech Wash. Make sure to follow the instructions of your Tech Wash bottle. We recommend a gentle hand wash. Add 150 ml of Tech Wash per item in a 7.5 litre sink of warm water. Your average laundry sink will do just fine. Wearing gloves, immerse your item into the sink and agitate to mix. Then, drain the water and rinse the garment 3 times in clean water to remove all residues. After washing, it's important to dry your jacket properly. High heat from a tumble dryer can damage the fabric and the waterproof membrane. Instead, line dry your jacket in the shade away from direct sunlight to preserve its performance. By following these simple care steps, your Swanndri wet weather gear will continue to protect you year after year. Take care of your gear and it will take care of you.